If you're nearing retirement or already there, you've likely heard the term hedging against inflation thrown around a lot. But how exactly can you do it? And why does a Roth IRA play such a critical role? If you're looking to preserve your wealth through your golden years, while inflation threatens the purchasing power of your savings, this video is for you. Stick around because by the end, I'll show you exactly how to use a Roth IRA to safeguard your future and the steps you need to take today. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I want to make sure you're armed with the best resources available. Click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and if you have 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, this guide is a must-read. Now let's talk about Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA is one of the most powerful retirement tools at your disposal for hedging against inflation. Why? Because it allows your investments to grow tax-free, and when you withdraw funds in retirement, you won't owe a penny in taxes. This can be especially valuable when inflation is eroding the value of your money. Unlike a traditional IRA, where you may have to pay taxes on your withdrawals, a Roth IRA ensures you'll have more predictable income in your later years. The primary benefit of a Roth IRA in the context of inflation is that it offers a stable foundation for long-term growth, with tax advantages that help maximize your purchasing power. Over the decades, inflation can gradually reduce the value of cash and fixed income assets, but the right investments within your Roth IRA, think stocks, bonds, real estate, or even precious metals like gold, can outpace inflation over time. Now, you might be thinking, but how do I know what investments are best for my Roth IRA? Here's where most people get it wrong. They leave their funds in low-interest accounts or invest too conservatively, allowing inflation to eat away at their savings. The secret to using a Roth IRA effectively is to choose assets that not only have the potential for growth, but also act as a hedge against inflation. One of the most effective assets for hedging inflation within a Roth IRA is precious metals, specifically gold. Gold has historically outpaced inflation during economic uncertainty, and in times when inflation rises, it tends to maintain or even increase in value. For American retirees with a significant nest egg, adding gold to your Roth IRA can be a game changer. It offers protection against inflation and helps preserve your wealth, especially when combined with more traditional investments like stocks or bonds. While stocks and bonds can give you good growth potential, they're also subject to market volatility. During inflationary periods, these assets might not perform as well as you'd like. This is where gold shines. It's a tangible asset with a proven track record of holding value, especially during economic downturns and periods of inflation. But here's the thing. Roth IRAs can also be used to hold other investments that act as a buffer against inflation, such as real estate or commodities. Diversification is key when hedging against inflation. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you're reducing the risk that any one type of investment will get hit hard by inflation or market swings. So, what's the bottom line? A Roth IRA isn't just a retirement account. It's a powerful tool to protect your wealth from inflation. But it's not enough to just have a Roth IRA. You need to make sure that your funds are invested wisely. Gold, stocks, bonds, and real estate all have roles to play in a diversified portfolio designed to outpace inflation. And if you're serious about taking control of your retirement and ensuring your wealth is protected, I recommend you take the next step. Click the first link in the description and download our free guide on how gold IRAs are helping retirees protect their wealth in uncertain times. Thousands of Americans are already taking action, and with inflation continuing to rise, now is the time to act. To wrap things up, if you've got 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, the strategies I've shared today are absolutely essential for protecting your wealth in retirement. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now and make sure your hard-earned money is working for you, even in times of inflation.